Let's divide the 3 minutes between us.
Hadith from of Dawood, Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, إن الله يبعث لهذه الأمة على رأس كل 100 سنة من يجدد لها دينها. Could you kind of explain to us whether it was necessary for those Mujaddidis to receive revelation from God?
Was it necessary for all these Mujaddids to receive revelations from God?
I don't believe it is necessary, because most of the Mujaddideen, which are enlisted by different sects of Islam, did not claim themselves to be a Mujaddid at all. They were claimed to be Mujaddideen by the later generations of Muslims who followed their sects, or who respected them highly because of the historical record of their services to Islam. Had they been informed by God that they have been appointed as Mujaddideen, they must have made this claim, or they would have failed in their duty to the revealed message of Allah. So from that I infer that for a Mujaddid to claim directly that he is a Mujaddid is not essential. Nor is it prophesied in the Hadith you quoted. There will be some who would serve the cause, not claim themselves to be Mujaddideen. This is the message. And with that, I take leave of you, and you can continue on the discussion, please.